The FONDIM 3CH GPS dashcam boasts a triple camera setup that includes a 140 front camera, a 170 cabin camera, and a 140 rear camera. This configuration enables complete coverage around your vehicle, capturing not only the road ahead but also the interior cabin and the surroundings to the sides and rear. The wide-angle lens of the cabin camera ensures that even the peripheries within the vehicle are recorded, enhancing situational awareness and security. At the forefront of its capabilities is the front camera's ultra-high definition 4K resolution, delivering crisp and detailed footage akin to movie quality. When operating in dual camera mode front plus cabin or front plus rear, the dashcam records in UHD from the 4000 front camera, ensuring clarity and precision in capturing incidents or events on the road. A standout feature of the FONDIM 3CH GPS dashcam is its intelligent use of a 360 radar system. This system detects moving objects within its range, front, sides, and rear of the vehicle, triggering the recorder to activate and start recording automatically. This proactive surveillance ensures that critical events are captured, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or legal purposes. The FONDIM 3CH GPS dashcam from Aliexpress represents a pinnacle of innovation in vehicle monitoring and safety technology. With its comprehensive 360 coverage, high-resolution video recording capabilities, and intelligent radar-triggered recording, it ensures enhanced security and peace of mind for drivers.